Hey everyone, so as you can see here, I made $5,501. So guys, I made this amount in just 3 weeks from just $25 program. Okay, so if I show you here guys, this program right here, it cost you only $25. Okay, and I made this over $5,000 from only $25. And cool thing is they pay you every Thursday. Okay, and this is reoccurring monthly income, which means that I'm gonna get paid every single month. Okay, so this is a reoccurring commission. Now other than me guys, there are several people who are making commission from this system as well. Like if I show you here, this person by the name of Mitch, he has made over $4,000 from this system. Okay, and this person right here, he made $5,286. So he also made over $5,000 like me. Okay, and they all get started on this $25 system like you can see here. So basically guys, this is affiliate marketing. Okay, and what I'm going to show you here is for $25 what you get is you basically get this landing page funnel builder. So it's like ClickFunnels. Okay, you get a landing page funnel builder. Like if I just edit this, you can see here I can edit this landing page. Okay, and if I click save, and if I go on the link here, you can see this is the landing page, right? So basically guys, for $25 you get a landing page funnel builder. Okay, and other than that you also get training dashboard. So this is the dashboard of the program. Okay, here you can see funnel builder tool, and here you can see all the traffic sources. So here you can see get traffic free. So here the program teaches you how to get free traffic. Okay, all these are free traffic tutorials. Facebook, YouTube, all these are free traffic tutorials. Okay, and then the program also teaches you how to get paid traffic. So here you can see solo ad, Facebook ads. So it also teaches you paid traffic sources as well. Okay, and here you can see get coaching live mastermind. So you also get live coaching in the system as well. Okay, and all this is for just $25 guys here, as you can see. So here is the thing guys, what you're gonna do is to make this $5,000 okay in reoccurring commission every single month, and to make commission like these people, what you can do guys, you need to follow these two steps here. Okay, the step one is sign up on the link below. What I will do, I'll put the link below this video, so go ahead and sign up on that link. And step 2 is message me on Facebook saying I signed up on $25 program, and what I'll do, I will send you all my marketing asset to help you make sales on this system. Okay, I also use TikTok traffic, I also use YouTube traffic other than solo ads. Okay, so I'm gonna give you my private marketing asset and training that are gonna help you make sales like these people. Okay, and like me as well here. So guys, if you want to get on this $25 program, okay, and once you are in, you will get all these links. Okay, so these are your affiliate links. So this one you can see all in one, this is your affiliate link. So if you copy here and if you click here, okay, you will see that this is your affiliate link, and that's how you're gonna send traffic, and that's how you're gonna make the commission. So you don't have to create landing page, it already provides you the landing page as well. So guys, if you want to make over $5,000 in reoccurring commission from just $25, then go ahead, follow these two steps, and you will be able to get inside the system and make sales like me. See you inside.